Okay, so we're back in the CPanel, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install WordPress onto your website so we can go ahead and get to the fun part of building your website. So basically put, when you're on your main site, you have all these extra, little sections that you can use. In other cPanels, there's some local files to help you install down in the software services section, but this is not the case for this one. So up at top you're going to see WordPress in the web applications. Just click on WordPress and this is going to walk you through what you need to install. When you go through this section, you're going to want to look and see current versions, so it shows what version is actually going to be installed on your account. It's very basic and simple. This should not be a factor. If for some reason the WordPress theme that we use in this training is not current with the new version of WordPress, there will be an update soon, and once I get a newer version of the theme come out, I'll do a walkthrough later on showing how to actually update your theme easily without having to delete stuff and get it complicated. So basically we're going to click install this application, and then you're going to decide if you want it on your main domain or if you want a directory off of it, or when you get additional domains, if you want to install it on the other domains, add-on domains and whatnot. So you're going to basically choose the domain you want. If you want to have a directory, so if you have, let's say, a HTML website on this domain, and you want it on like /blog or something to that nature, you would add that here. For this example, because we're building a fresh website, just leave it on the domain itself. You don't need a directory. And then you can choose the version you want. If you want to install a older version of WordPress, I would highly recommend to do the newest one. And then you just simply go through it and you accept the license agreement, automatic update. Do not automatically update. And the reason for this is you want to make sure that the themes and plugins and everything else are decent and work with the newest version of WordPress before you update. So don't do the automatic update. Plugin automatic update, do not. Theme, do not. Automatic update backup, create a backup, automatically restore the backup if the update fails. You do want to create the backup, move forward, and then now you have the fun stuff. This is all the administrative high-end stuff for the back end of WordPress. You can change this if you want. I would recommend just holding off, because once we get in there and get working, we're going to have a new username and password. So don't worry about that section. The only thing you really need to worry about is scrolling all the way down to the bottom and click install. So just do that, and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so as you see, it is currently installing all the databases and all the tables you need for WordPress. Once this finishes, you will be able to go in and use your username and password that was on the screen before. It's going to be a crazy one, so I highly recommend understanding that you're going to need to change it at some point. We're going to get into that in a later video, so don't worry about that now. But just know that's where it's going to be. So if you need access, just click on this. This is going to take you to the login section, and you can get there by basically going to testedonline.com or whatever your domain is. So joesplumbing.com for whatever example, /wp-admin. Just what you see highlighted up in the toolbar. Once you get here, this is going to take you into the dashboard. So, or you can also, and you'll have to log in if you're not automatically logged in through this process, which you should be. And then just simply click Finish Setup. And this is going to go through and make sure everything else is good to go. You don't want to have the download thing set up. So let's just go ahead and go back to the dashboard. We're not going to have to actually set that part up. So that being said, as you see, We have everything installed. We're going to go through the introduction videos of WordPress, go through the dashboard, all the different things, and get some dummy content installed, create a coming soon page, and then get the rest of your website built in the next videos. So that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Hope this was great. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope this helped. Other than that, be great. Stay boosted. We'll see you in the next video.